I would like to say thank you to all of you, each one of you. We have been struggling, let's say the truth, for 150 years. We have never given up our right to self-determination. Yes. And each time when we talk about being independent, the other side, other population or the leaders, political leaders and the French government used to say, oh, you're going to die of hunger. You have no money, no nothing. No need. You're helping us to be free. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
This is the Tahitian secret that Morinde discovered in French Polynesia 20 years ago now. We are asking you to convey and make this product known to the entire world. Even by doing so, you are participating in the economic recovery of Tahiti, which unfortunately has also been hit by the global crisis. So thank you for everything we'll do to make this thing known all over the world.